Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to fix error code SS06 in Snapchat. So guys, before we dive in, I want to tell you this message appear because access to your Snapchat account has been temporarily disabled. So guys, one of the two main reason why is this happening is either someone is trying to hack your Snapchat account or you entered your password incorrectly too many times. So guys, in order for you to fix this, it's just simply wait around 20 to 30 a minute, and after that time, try to log back in into your Snapchat account and make sure you have the correct password. So guys, now another thing that you could do is just simply go ahead and change your internet connection. So guys, you can either go ahead and change your Wi-Fi, or you can just simply go ahead and use your mobile data and just simply try to change your internet connection in order for this to work. Now, another solution that you might want to try is just simply go ahead and reinstall Snapchat. So just simply long press the Snapchat application, and from here guys, just simply tap on uninstall, and after that just simply go back to the Google Play Store, and from here just simply search for Snapchat and make sure to download your Snapchat application back again into your device, and from there you should be able to fix the issue. And there you go. If this video was helpful guys, please like and subscribe, and I hope this video helped you understand more about Snapchat.